In this video, let us explore how to create an account in GitHub. So open the Chrome browser or any browser, navigate to github.com. So if you already have an account, click on sign in. If you do not have an account, click on sign up. Click on sign up. Either you can continue with Google, okay, or you need to provide the email ID. Currently you have provided an email ID, password you can provide any password, and you should provide the username and select the country and region as India. Then click on create account. It will create an account. The same thing I would like to perform now. Okay, so in my case, so I already have an account. That's the reason either you can, if you are a new user, provide the email ID, password, username and your country and click on create account. Otherwise, if you already have an account, click on sign in. So username is Prabhakar Gudi and I'll just provide my user password. So click on sign in. I'm just provided a valid password. So now you can able to log into the application. So our GitHub account, I can able to log into the GitHub account. So again, if you can click on sign out. Okay, sign out completely, and again we'll getting the page. Either if you are a new user, click on sign up button to create an account. If you are already registered user, you can click on sign in and you can log into the application. Okay, thank you.